In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Getresponse pop-up form. By the end, you'll have a fully working pop-up on your website that can capture leads and grow your email list. First, let's start inside your Getresponse account. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu and go to Tools, then choose Forms and Pop-ups. This is the area where all of your forms live and where you'll be creating new ones. On this page, click the Create button and then select In a Pop-up. This tells Getresponse that you want a form that appears as a pop-up on your site rather than something embedded on a page. Next, you'll see a gallery of templates. These are pre-designed layouts that you can use as a starting point, which saves a lot of time compared to building from scratch. Scroll through the options, pick a template that matches your brand or your goal, and then click Use Template. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You can customize it in the editor. Once the editor opens, you'll see your pop-up on the canvas. Here you can click on any text and edit it to fit your offer, like a discount, a free guide, or a newsletter sign-up. Keep your message short, clear, and benefit-focused so visitors understand why they should subscribe. When you're happy with the design and wording, click Next to move on. Now it's time to control when and where your pop-up appears. Under Display Rules, click Edit next to Triggers. This is where you decide what action will cause the pop-up to show. You can choose On-Exit Intent, which means the pop-up appears when someone is about to leave the page, or After Delay, which shows it after a certain number of seconds. Pick the option that best fits your strategy and click Save. Still under Display Rules, click Edit next to Pages. Here, enter your website URL where you want the pop-up to appear. This can be your main domain or a specific page. When you're done, click Update to save these settings. Finally, let's install and publish the pop-up. Click Get Web Connect and you'll see a code snippet. Copy that entire snippet, then go to your website editor and paste it into the head section of your site's code. This connects your site to Getresponse so the pop-up can actually display. After you've added the code and saved your site changes, return to Getresponse and click Publish. Your pop-up form is now live and ready to start collecting subscribers.